Today we are recreating the grass block from Minecraft using Blender, the open source modeling software that anyone can download right now. And the best part is that you can use the asset I'm about to create in your own game for free. Link in the description. Just be sure to like the video, comment what I should create next, and subscribe for future videos. So let's get started. Minecraft was released in 2009, and the grass block is one of the most iconic parts of the game because it's literally the game icon. It's a cube with 6 sides, made up of 3 textures found in the game files. Grass block top.png used to texture the top of the cube, grass block side PNG used to texture the sides of the cube, and dirt PNG used to texture the bottom of the cube. So we can take these textures straight out of the game, or we can go on Google and find our 3 textures. Then we can open up Blender and create a new general file. Press A and then X to clear everything. Shift A to create a mesh that is the shape of a cube, and this will be our grass block. But we need to get it ready to UV map the textures. So first select everything by pressing A and going into edit mode by pressing tab, and then press U to bring up the UV mapping options, and we are going to click cube projection. Now we need to add the textures. So let's create a base material for the cube and then create a second material. We will then click this button in the base color section and press the image texture option. Now we can press open and select our grass block side PNG texture. And now we will need to press a sign on the selected face to apply the texture. And now we can see that our grass block side texture is on the face. We will repeat this task for each of the 4 sides. And once we have done that, our cube will look like this. Now we are going to do the exact same thing for the top. So let's select the top face in edit mode and create a new material for the top of the cube, and then open the PNG texture wherever the grass block top texture is, then apply it to the top face. Now all we have to do is the final bottom texture. Select the bottom face of the cube, create a new material, open the dirt block.png texture, and apply it to the bottom face. And there we have it, the grass block from Minecraft. And the best part is that you can download this asset right now and support me directly by donating. Everything important is linked down in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and comment below what I should make next. Thanks for watching.